read about chemistry, second chapter, elements and compound. Substance around us are made of matter. Matter is of two types. One is pure substance. Second one is impure substance. Otherwise, it is called as mixture. So we'll study about pure substance. It is made of one kind of matter. They are classified into elements and compound. So we'll study about elements. Elements are different types. Different types of elements are present, and it is made of one kind of matter. And they are different. Properties of element are different from element to element. Pause. An element can exist independently. Otherwise, it can combine with other elements and forming different types of substance which you are able to see around us. Then, an element is neither broken down into simpler substance by any physical or by any ordinary chemical means. For example, different types of substance we can found. If you take the case of gold, it is made of elements. In the smallest part also you can get the same, or a bigger also you will get bigger substance also you can get the same. Gold, iron and silver are elements, different kinds of elements. Till today, we have studied about 118 elements, out of which 92 elements are natural occurring and other remaining are man-made. So we'll study about different properties of elements, that is metal, non-metal, metalloid and noble gases. We'll study about characters of metals. Metals are solid, shining, good conductor of heat and electricity. They have high melting and high boiling point. Example: iron, gold, potassium, calcium. Then non-metals. Non-metals are non-shining, they are soft, solid, bad conductor of heat and electricity, low boiling and melting points. Metalloids. Metalloids are an intermediary form of metal and non-metals. Antimony, silicon, germanium are some of these examples. Then noble gas. Noble gas are elements, they do not react chemically with other element. Examples: krypton, xenon, radon. Then we'll study about the symbol of elements. Elements are represented by a symbol. These symbols are maybe one letter word or two letter word. It is a short form of the elements. So J.J. Berzelius, a Swedish scientist, he has kept this in order. Elements, like it starts with a single letter of an element. It is English alphabet according to nomenclature. Some elements like hydrogen, its symbol is H. If two elements starting with the same letter, then the second letter is considered. Like in case of hydrogen, H symbol, and in case of helium, first letter H and a small letter is added to it, that is He. And in other case also, some elements are having more than two also, like In case of manganese and magnesium, the second letter is A star. First letter is M, second letter is A. In this case, the third letter of the alphabet of this element is considered. So in case of manganese, that's why it is Mn, small n, and in case of magnesium, it is M and small g. And thirdly, in some cases of the naming the element, the Latin name is considered. Like as in case of sodium, the Latin name is natrium. Copper, cuprum. So their symbol is like Na and also Cu. Small table is given below. That also you will read. And another on the side, 20 elements name given and also symbol given. According to serial wise, you give 1, 2, 3, 4 atomic number. Then symbol of how to write a symbol or significance of symbol. It is considered as C. Suppose for carbon, first you write C and number of atoms present. If one atom is present, then only you write C. That is the name of the or symbol of this element. Then we'll study about compounds. You see this photograph, how to write and also use the alphabet in writing a symbol of an element. After this, we'll study about compound. Compound is a substance that is made of 2 or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio. So there are 6 types of characteristics of compound. Compounds are made of 2 or more elements. Take the case of carbon dioxide. Carbon is one element, oxygen is another element. When these 2 elements combine together in a fixed ratio, carbon dioxide is made CO2 or carbon monoxide is made CO. In case of sodium hydroxide, sodium, oxygen and hydrogen, 3 metals are combined together forming sodium hydroxide. A compound is made up of same element combined together in a fixed ratio. Take the case of water. 1 hydrogen is combined with 2 oxygen forming water. That is, symbol is H2O. A compound is homogeneous. If you take a glass of water, what the composition you will find? If you take 1 drop of water also, you will find the same composition throughout. So that's why it is homogeneous. Properties of the compound differ from their elements and what properties they are having. Take the case of water. It is made of hydrogen and water. Hydrogen helps in boiling and oxygen